In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Slack. Whether you're working with a small team or large department, organizing your communication into groups can be incredibly efficient. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up these groups so that your team can collaborate effortlessly. First, make sure you're logged into your Slack account. You'll see your workspace on the left-hand side, listing all of your current channels and direct messages. To begin, look for the plus sign or icon next to the channels header. Clicking on this will reveal options to create a new channel. You'll want to select this option because creating a channel is the foundation of setting up a group in Slack. Once you've selected to create a new channel, you'll be prompted to enter a name. Choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose or focus of your group, making it easy for team members to understand the channel's function. You're also encouraged to add a description. This can be brief, just a sentence or two that provides more detail about the group's objectives or the types of topics to be discussed within that channel. When you've named your channel and added a description, consider the privacy settings. Slack will ask whether you'd like to make the channel public or private. A public channel can be joined by anyone in your workspace, which is beneficial for most general team activities or discussions. However, if your group will be dealing with sensitive information or is intended for a specific set of team members, it's best to choose the private option. This ensures that only invited members can view and participate in the channel's conversations. After setting your privacy preference, click Create. Your brand new channel will appear in your channel list on the left side of the workspace. From here, it's time to invite your team members. You can do this right after creating the channel or at any time by clicking on the Invite button near the channel name. A list of colleagues will pop up and you can select who you want to add to the group. Remember, if it is a private channel, only invited members will see and join the group. Lastly, it's always a good idea to pin any important messages or files within the channel to streamline communication. For example, if you have a document that the team will continually reference, pinning it at the top ensures easy access for everyone. As you start using the group, keep in mind that you can adjust settings and members anytime as your project evolves. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on creating a group in Slack. By following these instructions, you'll enhance your team's ability to communicate and collaborate effectively in no time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your digital workspace.